Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove Capcut watermark in your project or in a template. So after you use templates or project in Capcut, you can find the or at the end your project there is a Capcut watermark. Sorry, this one for example. So in order to delete or you don't want to use this CapCut, you can completely remove by tap on ending and delete. No, there is no ending or there is no watermark on your CapCut project. So this is like the first method. The second method, you can close the project. Now you can click or tap on me option. You can tap gear icon at the top of your screen, and here we go. You can try to turn off at default ending, this one. So I repeat once more. If you use a CapCut, first time use CapCut, and you can see a CapCut watermark like this. So at the end of your project there is a CapCut watermark. You can try to completely remove the watermark by tap on ending. This is your project, but this is the ending. Now you can delete the watermark. No more CapCut logo at the ending of your project. And also you can try to close your project now. You can tap me and you can tap gear icon at the top of your screen and try to find this one at default ending. So you can turn this off. You can turn off this option. So this is how you can remove a watermark in your project or template. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next video.